What's up and welcome back to the channel. For those who are new here, my name is Taylor with 907 Fantasy Sports. And today we don't have any plays in the NFL, but tomorrow we got Thursday night football between the Seattle Seahawks and the Arizona Cardinals. It's going to be played at Arizona. But a little recap of Monday night football between the Ravens and the Lions. We hit this one for 10 into 24. Nice win there with a free play from Derrick Henry. And then we hit this one over on Prizepicks. I sent this one out on the free Winible a little bit later, so that's why you guys want to make sure that you're on that free Winible because I send out multiple plays there. So nice 5 into 11 there. We hit this one over on BETR. If you guys are new to BETR, you can go over there and get signed up. They're going to give you $200 of free money to play with and a free square to go ahead and start out with when you use the code 907fantasy to get signed up. So a nice little 10 into 17 there. Then we hit this one over on Sleeper for a nice 40% profit boost there. Just an easy win. We could have even went higher on almost all these lines for a nice win there. This one was a VIP winner, 5 into 8 there. So we had some nice wins over on Monday Night Football. So for tonight, we're going over to Chalkboard. And they're giving out this free square here. So Sam Darnold, all he needs to do is complete one pass or get 1 rushing yards, and we win there. So a nice, easy win. If you guys are new to Chalkboard, go over there and use the code 907fantasy. Same code as Sleeper here, 907fantasy. And they're going to hook you up with $20 of free money to go ahead and play with. Plus, you'll get this Sam Darnold free square. Once again, if you guys want to get on Sleeper as well, you'll get up to a $100 deposit match there. So let's jump into the first leg of this play. Obviously, it's going to be Sam Darnold over his passing and rushing yards. And then we're matching that up with Trey McBride. I like Trey McBride here for the tight end position. He's going to be over 50 receiving yards. Now, the reason I like that is a couple reasons. So let's go over here to Prizepicks so we can just see a quick Trey Benson right here. We'll just see a quick breakdown of his last 5. Oh, that's rushing yards, Trey Benson. We're looking for Trey McBride. Now my computer's frozen. So one thing with Arizona is their running back just got injured last Sunday, and so he's out for the season now. So I guess we can't go over there. What I was going to look at, though, is Trey McBride. He's been hitting this line. He missed last Sunday, but Seattle is the bottom of the pack for passing completions and passing protection. I think they're 26th. And so I like this line. Kyler Murray's going to be looking for him with a new running back in there as well. I don't see them just looking to go run heavy. And so I see them more passing this week. And with Trey McBride, I like him. He's going to be the outlet for Kyler Murray there. So we're taking him over 49.5 receiving yards. All he needs to do is get 50, and we hit this one. It is expected to be a higher scoring game. Kind of a little bit of a shootout. I think the over-under is like 42, something like that. We'll go here to the schedule and see what it's showing here. Oh, my computer is way slow. Holy smokes. Maybe we won't go see it. I'll look on my phone real quick. But I think the over-under is like 40-something. So the over-under for... Oh, here we go. Thursday night football. Over-under 43.5. So Seattle's favored by 1.5. And then the over-under is 43. So each side scores a few. It's going to be a shootout there. So I'm loving that over. I would even take Seattle, this 1.5. I would take that as the spread there. But once again, like I said, we're going to take this play, turn 10 into 22-10 there. So that is the free play for today. If you guys are not on Winible, go over here and get signed up. Especially get on the free plan. I send out multiple free plays there a day. So make sure to get on those, especially if the game's starting to come up soon and I see a play that I really like. I'll send it out here along with the more lucrative, more for sure plays will go out on VIP. We have the VIP gold level. You can get that for $149 if you use the code Jackson, Jaxon. That'll get you 85% off of the VIP gold level along with the NFL college football season pass. So both of those are 85% off with the code Jackson. You can get on a week pass or on just a $5 Friday pass just to test it out. But at least get on the free plan here so that you're getting those free plays each day. But good luck with all of your plays today. Hopefully we can get these lines, or hopefully you guys can get the lines locked in before they move. And let's go have another killer day and go profit some more. And good luck with all of your other plays, and we'll catch you guys on probably Friday or some football for Saturday. So good luck, and we'll catch you guys then. Peace.